On the 30th and 31st of March 2019, we took part in a workshop organised by the Interactive Network for Educational Resources. The goal of this organisation is to assist and encourage the youth to improve human rights and democracy through youth cooperation. Through the help of their experts, we learned lots of new things through presentations and exercises, which we later applied to improve our skills.
Honestly, we didn't expect anything, but we were certain of improving ourselves and learning new things, and also to make new friends and have a lot of fun.
Well, at the beginning we were supposed to introduce ourselves with our specific greeting in order to make others remember us more easily, and actually they did. We made a lot of new friends, and I think that the idea of the whole project was to make us more informed and more aware of the things that really surround us, and with that we should not think that something is more or less important than the other thing, because there are really some small details that are really important, and I think that the experience was really awesome.
Well, we learned how to recognize fake news and violence on the internet. Also, most importantly, we learned that we should be very educated for everything that is connected with the internet.
So we had a lot of fun, we learned many useful things, we learned how to recognize the hate speech on the internet, and most important, how to fight with it. And also we learned many new skills, how to protect ourselves on the internet.
I think that the things we learned in the seminar could be used in various ways in real life. For example, things that we learned about phishing could help us protect ourselves from becoming victims to cyber criminals.